Kunin mo yung toothbrush, kuya. Nasaan ang toothbrush? Taas mo kamay mo. Okay, toothpaste. Very good. Give mo sa akin yung toothpaste. Asan ang toothbrush? Nasaan? Taas mo kamay mo, kuya. Yan, sige. Very good. Good job. Good job, Sid. That's yours. High five, high five, high five. High five, mama. Very good. Kunin mo yung cane, dali. Kunin mo yung cane. Saan ba kukunin yung cane? Oh, sige. Angat mo arm. Taas mo arm. Oops. Okay. Good job. Very good. High five. High five, mami. High five, high five, high five. Very good. High five. Very good. Kailangan natin baso. Oh, put it down. Nasaan yung baso? Ayan, kunin mo baso. Very good. Good job. Okay, balik na natin. Oh. Kunin mo nga, nasan yung diaper mo? Dali. Kunin mo kung nasan yung diaper mo. Oh, sige ha. Kuha ka ng diaper mo ha. Oh, pauntog. May pinto. Sige nga, nasan yung diaper mo? Sid. Kunin mo. Diaper. Nasaan diaper? Nasaan diaper? Hanapin mo. Bend your body, kuya. Nasaan? Oh, pauntog ka ha. Nasaan? Where? Sige nga, bend your body. Where's mama? Oh, go. Kunin mo na, kuya. Where's the diaper? Nasaan diaper? Bend your body. Hindi aakyat, kuya. Kunin mo yung diaper. Go. Kaya mo yan. Oh, Sid, huwag maglaro dyan. Go. Get mo diaper. Huwag kang maglaro dyan. Ayan. Good job. Very good, Sid. High five. Give me five. Sydney, kunin mo nga yung toothbrush mo. Saan nakalagay yung toothbrush? Dito. O, mali ka. Ayan. O, sige, kunin mo yung toothbrush mo. Very good. Sige, itaas mo na yan. Yung may goma lang. Isa lang. Ayan. O, balik mo to. 3 yan eh. Tinatawanan mo ako eh. O, ito lang, kuya. Very good si Sida. Good job. Good job, Zid. Asan yung piano? Yung keyboard? Punta ka nga doon sa keyboard, sa piano. Sydney. Sydney. Nasaan si keyboard? Punta mo, nasaan yung keyboard? Nasaan yung keyboard, Zid? Wala sa akin yung keyboard. Hey, hanapin mo nga. Nasaan? Punta ka nga doon sa keyboard, magtugtog ka ng piano. Dali. Nasaan? Hindi nga, tugtog ka nga. Ayan, very good. High five.